everybody, this is Roxy, and I finished some of my little acorns. These are the little acorns that I found at that garage sale where the woman's mom was a crafter, and they had such cool stuff. There was so much I had to leave. But anyways, she had a bunch of single caps and then one triple cap. In fact, when I looked at them, most of even the single caps have little sprouts coming out of them. I don't know if I come across one, I'll show you. So anyways, I did needle felting, and that is where you take wool roving, and it's like cotton candy, and you pull a little bit off. I show it after I show you these. Roving. So anyways, here's the needle felting kit that I have. It's from fibertrends.com. I think you can get them at any yarn store or needle crafting store. They probably even have them at Hobby Lobby, wherever. I suppose anybody that sells yarn might have them. Not sure about the roving. This is from wisteria.com in Michigan. And it's a nice little pack. I love, they've got different colored packs, but this was kind of a fall one. And I've had that for probably, I don't think I've knitted for 18 years. I quit knitting because my hands were getting kind of tired of it. So anyways, I made little tables, so to speak, for the bottoms so that you can see what the little acorns look like. They turned out so cute. I love them. And then I just happened to have W+9 has a die set. And I got it last year when they had a clearance sale. So there's a double one. A lot of them are singles. They're really cute. There's so much, and they're easy and really. Oh, here's one that's having a little baby. And then Scrubby now, every time he goes for his walk or takes Sheila out, they go to this one park. And there's part of the path is it's like you're just walking all over these. So here's one where it's got a little acorn coming here and another one down there. But a lot of them had the little sprouts coming out. So I don't know how that works, but nature does its magic. So there's that. Then I got a double pink one. See how the little ball, another acorn. And then there's two coming out. This was going to have 4. How cool. There's got a couple more coming out too. So I just did different fall colors and some pink ones for people that love pink. And then these I'm going to sell for $5. And the triple one is $6. That's this one. Isn't that cool? So, tips I have for roving is watch your finger. What I do is I lay out the felt or the roving and just about a square like that kind of. And I bought these little styrofoam balls at Hobby Lobby, glitter snowballs. The glitter doesn't come through, so it's fine. I was a little worried at first, but they're the perfect size for an acorn to shove into the caps. And then by coincidence, I used the Dollar Tree craft glue. I just put a bead in there. This glue is really surprising. It's perfect. It dries pretty quickly. I did use it to glue these down, but when I opened one, it popped off. So I literally just took them all off and then used a glue dot instead. But had I not bent the cover back, and it probably would have stayed on. Okay, so tips. Oh yeah, so I'd put a little square out, wrap the ball around it, get a little wet, kind of roll it a little bit, and you'll find where there's some bald spots or faint spots. In some cases, I let that go because it kind of gave it shading and light and dark areas, which I kind of like this pink one. Kind of gives it a little more dimension. Then I just do some of the needle felting, kind of all the way around, and then get it wet again and roll it in the palm of my hand to get it nice and flat. And then do a little more needle felting, roll it again, and then I roll it up on my fingers to kind of make it more oval. So it's not like a ball, it's more of an oval, kind of an acorn. So those are just some tips. I think they are so much fun. I can't get enough of them. So I'm going to keep collecting these and just make more and more and more. So on with my show. So the back half of this is going to be me making my little acorn balls. And thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I love meeting new people. Leave a comment. It's how we get to know each other. And talk to you later. Bye. They're very, very sharp. And it is tarnished, but I can get that polished. Here's the bigger one. No, that's the finest one. You do not want to poke this in your finger. So, you just got to be careful. I'll do a little gold or orange. And you don't need a lot of roving. How did they? Oh, yeah. You just need a little teensy bit.